In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove Yahoo Search from Google Chrome and restore your preferred search engine. If Yahoo has suddenly become your default search engine, these steps will help you switch it back and prevent it from returning. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Search Engine, then select Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Under Search Engines, find your preferred search engine, such as Google. Click the three dots next to it and select Make Default. Next, look for Yahoo in the list of search engines. Click the three dots next to Yahoo and select Delete to remove it. If there are multiple Yahoo entries, remove each one. Scroll down to the Site Search section and check if Yahoo appears there as well. If it does, click the three dots next to it and choose Delete. If Yahoo still appears after changing your search engine, go to the Extensions page by opening the three-dot menu, selecting Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Remove any unfamiliar or suspicious extensions that may have changed your search settings. Finally, restart Google Chrome and try searching from the address bar. Your preferred search engine should now be used instead of Yahoo. That's how to remove Yahoo Search from Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.